All right, so for this video, we're going to show you how to make a pin and a clip. As you see in our added reference image, I did like a little 2D sketch, the top, the side, the back, just do a little profile to make things easier. And what I concluded was that I could use a lathe to make the body of this pin really fast. So we're going to do that. All right, so we have that object right there. Delete it because we don't need it. And let's name it pin and clip. Cool. So go to lathe over here. Where's lathe? Oh, yes, lathe. Okay. Make sure symmetry. Oh, no. Okay. There it is. Okay. So there we are. So there we have our pin body made right away. Oh, see how easy that is. And then let's see, top, front. This needs to be a little more flat, so there we are. Cool. All right, now that we have that, click validate. We have our pin body. Make sure you're naming your things appropriately. And then from there, we can also do the same thing with the, what do you call it? The little nail thing on the pin for the lathe to make things go a little faster. And hopefully, this helps you understand whenever you do a 3D model, and it's something that you can reach out in the real world and see, try to make a 3D profile of it. And when you translate it to 3D, it will be a lot easier for you. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Because your pin should be about the length of the rod of the body of the pin. So this should be fine. Okay, press that, then go to Gizmo. Let's rotate it. Oh. Down like this. Front. That's about right. That's about right in the middle. Okay, now we just gotta line it up. Left. All right, sweet. There we go. We have our pin fully made. Let's rename that. pin now. All right, and there you have it. Using the lathe and a little bit of 2D sketching from our 3D model or our real life model, we've created our pin in Nomad Sculpting. Now let's do the now the clip right here, and that is super easy too. So what we can do is use the tube. Let's go to front. Oh, don't forget the pin and the nail body. Do a simple merge, so it's all together, but technically two different objects in one. All right, so front, make this go invisible for a minute, and go back to tube. So with tube selected, just follow kind of the, kind of what's going on. So the curve, select curve, and there we are. We've created our pin. Let's see, let's select path and move things around so that the body parts don't mix too much. Select validate, and then with transform, oh, actually, now let's go back. Let's go back to tube and then the path. It looks like we can't, so we go, let's delete that real fast and make another one. Right. Let's see, path. It's not gonna be great, but you're starting out, so don't worry too much about it. Oh, and there's what we can use to make it a little thinner. All right, and there we have it. We have our narrow clip, and if we move to the side, to the left, we can make it go. More back, give it more of a three-dimensional instead of just a flat object. But there you have it. You created both a pin and a paper clip. And like I said, remember, with practice, you'll get much better. So don't worry too much about things. Just learn how to do things little by little. All right.